So new year, new life, they say, and I got myself a new toy. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thomas Love here from beautiful Vancouver, British Columbia, and today I am excited because I got myself a new toy. My needs changed over the past few months, therefore my Leica 2 started being a bit short with that 28mm, and so I needed to go a bit wider, and then I'm starting also the journey for videos, and I had to change camera. So I don't know if you watched the shorts that I shared with you a couple days ago where I was inquiring whether a Nikon or a Panasonic would have been the best choice, but let's see together what I got. And I got just delivered right now a package from Camera Canada. Those guys have been so nice and helpful, and they grant me a great deal, so thank you Camera Canada for that deal and for having sent it over the camera so quickly. So let's go all together tonight to Camera Canada and purchase something. So let's start unpacking and we'll see together what I got from them. So first things first, let's open the package. I don't know if you are impatient as much as I am. We got paper, stuffing, calendar from Camera Canada, thank you for that. Ooh, and now we start serious stuff. What is this beauty? This is a Lumix S5 Mark II. We'll get back to that and see why I picked up this camera, and then with what glass I'm pairing it with the Lumix 16-35 f4. Now let's open the package together. This Panasonic package, I went to Panasonic in the very end because I know I would have missed the Leica color science, and so this camera and this glass are approved by Leica, so they have the Leica certification, meaning they are part of the M-mount with all the advantages that this will grant. And so this camera, oh, it's a beauty. As you can see, it feels very solid in the hand. It's blacked out everything, so there are no writings. Everything is black apart from the rec button here on top. Other things that I will probably not need anytime soon, and then we'll see also the glass if it's up to this standard. I really hope so. I picked up this 16-35 because in the very end I will need some wide angle shot. Sorry, it's a lot of noise for the unwrapping. There you go. It's smaller than I thought, and as you can see, it's another beautiful construction. Why did I pick up the 16-35 for my wide? I know you guys were fans of the 14-24 by Sigma or 14-28, I don't remember, but that lens protrudes out, and so I would have not been able to mount any ND filters, and since I intend to use this camera also for video, I will need to have the chance of screwing in the ND filter here. So this is the Lumix 16-35. As you can see, at 16 it's wide out, and then 35 will grant me the chance to keep going with my street photography. Now, why Lumix? Other cameras in the same ballpark at the same price were the one that was appealing the most to me was the Nikon ZF, and it's still more or less $2,400 Canadian, and so it was more or less a bit more expensive than this Panasonic, but this Panasonic is a workhorse. It has far many advantages compared to the Nikon, despite the Nikon is of course more compact, and they both have the manual dials on top. And then with this glass, as you imagine, I wanted to have a one lens only, so one glass to master them all, and with this one I know I can do great things for what I need: interior, video, and street. So stay tuned, because in the next few days we will start talking about all the specs and how I can use this camera, and it will be both photography and video, because despite this is clearly a hybrid camera with the vent in here to avoid the temperature to raise too much when you're recording video, it is also a very good mean for photography, and this is why I wanted to stay within the L-mount alliance and take advantage from the Leica glasses that you can get for this camera. So with that, I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, please remember to like it, share it on your social media, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss the videos to come, and I guess I will see you later. Thank you. Bye-bye.